In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Dell computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along, regardless of which type of computer you have from Dell. So for example, an Optiplex, one of these desktops, an Inspiron, a laptop, a gaming laptop, regardless of what you have available, connecting and using a DualShock controller is extremely simple. It will work with any Dell computer, so just follow these steps. There are two main ways to connect the controller. The one that I would recommend is through Bluetooth. So to do this, go into the settings of your Dell PC or laptop and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. If your PC does not have Bluetooth drivers, and it isn't available on your motherboard, what you can do is purchase a tiny USB Bluetooth adapter, or use the other method that I'm going to talk about shortly, so you can skip ahead if you don't want to use Bluetooth. So, all that you have to do after Bluetooth is enabled is to press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on the controller simultaneously. So press and hold both of these buttons for a few seconds. This will enable pairing mode. So the controller is going to look for nearby devices to connect to. And as long as Bluetooth is enabled and you choose the option to add a device to your Dell computer, you will find the controller available under the list. Make sure that there is no sort of interruption between you and the controller and that you are in close proximity with the Dell PC or laptop, and they will be able to connect. Once you choose the DualShock 4 from the list, it will remain connected and you can play any game that supports controllers. Alternatively, if you want to use a cable, if you look at the back of the DualShock controller, you will find a micro USB port. So you grab a micro USB cable, you plug it into the controller, and the other end goes into your PC or laptop. It will usually be a standard USB-A, so USB-A to micro USB. And once this connection is established, you are good to go. Once again, the drivers will be acquired automatically, and you just have to open any game that has full controller support. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Dell computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.